Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. It is Tuesday, October 23rd, 2018. Halloween is quickly approaching, and I've got a Halloween worksheet just for you. I have 7 questions that I made up. I had to use easy English words for the students. I'll quickly go over them. Number 1, when is Halloween? A, October 13, B, October 28, C, October 31. 2. What are 2 Halloween colors? A, red and white. B, black and orange. C, green and orange. What does a ghost say? A, goo. B, boo. C, book. 4. What do you say to get candy at Halloween? A, trick or seat. B, trick or treat. C, treat or trick. 5. Dracula drinks A, juice. B, cola. C, blood. 6. A house that ghosts live in is A, haunted tree. B, haunted house. C, house. 7. Children wear these clothes for Halloween. A, custom. B, costume. C, scary clothes. So make sure your students understand the questions and the vocabulary. They can look up the words themselves. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Happy Halloween!